It's been a hectic week. Time to get some good sleep and a relaxed weekend.
Well, that is what I had planned, but then I had to come Chennai for a specific reason. I'll tell you that in few minutes. This is the reason I'm here in Chennai. Hero WAG7 28027. Parallel departure with Pinakini Express. Restroom and beautiful set of pictures here. They used one from the Dudhsagar as well. It looks like it's automatic water, but it takes a long time to stop. Maybe they can fix that. And you also have a dustbin provided. Do use the dustbins. Oh, finally AC in the coach. The other coaches were not having AC on because the passengers have been filled up in only 2 coaches, I feel. We are skipping Bengaluru, I feel. Bengaluru it is. There's also pantry. The middle deck of double decker has been replaced in few coaches by pantry place. I'll show you that. And this is information for the passengers. We're entering the pantry section actually. This space used to have seats over here. It was called as middle deck in the double decker coaches. This has been replaced by pantry. Coffee vending machines, and these will be the place where foods will be kept. I guess you'll get it somehow over here. I don't know how it works actually. Dispenser, it's called, I guess. Well, it's almost like double decker. Apart from the extra pantry and few features where it shows train status and all. Yeah, and they also applied vinyl coverings, so I don't think much more than this. Leg space, it's almost same like how it was before in double decker coaches. At least this middle seat is much better compared to the ones behind. And we are skipping Villivakkam. Well, those are the coaches from ICF factory for Kolkata Metro. Most probably the last batch they are sending because Hyundai will be taking over the production of coaches for Kolkata Metro. And I guess this is the last few moments I'll be sitting in this coach. AC is not working perfectly. I'll be heading to my coach C1. Charging ports, tray tables. Well, all these were already there in the double decker. And leg space as well, it's almost the same. I don't see any difference in it, because you can also place your water bottles, snacks over there. And yes, they also say that they provide Wi-Fi on this train. Let's see if it connects. Let us see if it does work, because this is not the first run of Uday. It's in fact movement of rakes from Chennai to Coimbatore. And no, it's not working still. You can't see it. Actually they said it should be connect to train Wi-Fi network. I don't see any train Wi-Fi network. I'm not sure if these things will work. I don't want to take chance and click on them. Anyway, once you connect that, you're supposed to go to this browser. I'll put it down here. Coming to this train, the service is actually for Coimbatore Bangalore UDAY Express. Today they're running it as special from Chennai to Coimbatore. That's actually a good move, to be honest, because they need to send this rake anyway to Coimbatore. Instead of sending it empty, they're running it as a service. And I can see quite a number of passengers in the other coaches. There are around 20-30 in C1 and C8 as well. So I guess IRS making some money out of it, which is pretty good.
Come here, na earlier. And ask him.
We actually feel that this pantry is feel more spacious and a very beautiful view as well.
but you know,